Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see about weather. What is El Nino and La Nina? El Nino and La Nina are two opposite phases of the El Nino Southern Oscillation climate cycle. UNSO is a natural occurring pattern of ocean temperatures and atmospheric circulation that affects weather patterns around the world. El Nino. El Nino occurs when the trade winds that normally blow from east to west across the Pacific Ocean weaken or even reverse direction. This causes warm water from the western Pacific to flow eastward, accumulating in the central and eastern Pacific. The warm water in the central and eastern Pacific can have a significant impact on weather platforms around the world. For example, El Nino can cause heavier rains in North and South America, Australia, and Indonesia. Drier conditions in the southern United States, Southeast Asia, and Eastern Africa. Increased storm activity in the tropical Pacific. Changes in sea level. El Nino events typically last for 9 to 12 months, but they can last longer. The strongest El Nino events on record occurred in 1982 to 1982 to 83 and 1997 to 93. These events caused widespread flooding and droughts around the world, the billions of dollars in damage. Now, La Nina. La Nina occurs when the trade winds strengthen and warm water in the central and eastern Pacific is pushed back to the west. This causes cooler than average water to accumulate in the central and eastern Pacific. La Nina can have a significant impact on weather patterns around the world. For example, La Nina can cause drier conditions in North and South America, Australia, and Indonesia, heavier rains in the southern United States, Southeast Asia, and Eastern Africa, decreased storm activity in the tropical Pacific. Changes in sea level. La Nina events typically last for 9 to 12 months, but they can last longer. The strongest La Nina events on record occurred in 1988 to 1989, 1998 to 99. These events are also caused widespread flooding and droughts around the world, billions of dollars in damage. Impacts of El Nino and La Nina can have a significant impact on human society. For example, La Nino related flooding can damage homes, businesses, and a La Nino related droughts can reduce crop yields. La Nino can also lead to an increase in the number of wildfires, extreme heat waves. These are a number of things that can be done to prepare for and mitigate the impacts of La Nino and La Nina. For example, governments can invest in infrastructure to protect against flooding and drought. Farmers can plant drought resistant crops and use water more efficient, and individuals can take steps to prepare for extreme weather events such as having an emergency and stockpile supplies. Climate change. In recent years, La Nina events have become more frequent and intense. This likely due to human caused climate change. Climate change is warming oceans, which makes El Nino events likely to occur. Scientists are still learning about how climate change is affecting ENSO. However, they believe that climate change is likely to make La Nino events more frequent and intense and longer lasting. Thanks for watching. Yours Akash Kumar.